Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Covalent X token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Covalent X token CXT is the native utility and governance token powering the Covalent network, a decentralized platform for accessing verifiable blockchain data access over 100 chains. Core utility CXT is used for staking to secure the network, governance voting, and as a settlement currency for paid data APIs queries. Economic model: a buyback program uses a majority of network revenue to purchase and remove CXT from circulation, creating a deflationary pressure linked to usage. Network role: it incentivizes a decentralized network of operators to index, validate, and serve structured blockchain data reliably at scale. Covalent X network project audited by Hacken. Covalent X token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 967.14 million CXT token. CXT token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, Crypto.com, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.